Hey Adelstein fans, I'm Elizabeth, your wine educator from the Vineyard, bringing to you yet another pantry pairing. I know what you're thinking, how many more of these can they actually keep bringing to us? And well, I like to eat, so an infinite number, I guess. Plus, we have another wine to talk about. So we're going to be complementing this next pantry pairing with our delicious 2017 Boulder Bluff Pinot Noir, one of the big crowd favorites at the winery and a brand new release for us, so stay tuned. All right, so for today's pantry pairings, we're making one of my absolute favorite foods. We're gonna make a bolognese sauce that can be used in a variety of different ways. Of course, I like mine on carbs because carbs are delicious. So we're gonna incorporate a little bit of pasta included with our bolognese here. But I'm making a quarantine edition because I don't have everything that I need to make a traditional, let's say, Florentine style bolognese. But like I said, it's extremely versatile. You can do just about anything with it. So we're doing it quarantine style. All right, so the first step in making a bolognese is making sure you get everything prepped. So I'm going to blitz or pulse my vegetables, an onion, carrot, and celery down to very small size. And then I'm gonna move that to a separate bowl, and I'm gonna do the same thing with some bacon. You can also use pancetta, but I don't have pancetta in my fridge, so I'm gonna use bacon instead. Right now I'm just browning off some of that beef, and then we're gonna add in our vegetables with it, our mirepoix. All of my wine has evaporated. It's just kind of absorbed into the food. So I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. My cameraman and I bought a huge number 10 can of tomato sauce because we eat pasta like crazy. And so this is from that number 10 can, and we saved a bunch of money, so quarantine budget. Lastly, we're gonna take the heat down to just a very low simmer, just let it bubble away. I'm gonna cover this bad boy and let it cook for about 2 hours, stirring it occasionally. Okay, now that I've got that bubbling away, now is probably a really great time to start talking about this 2017 Boulder Bluff. Boulder Bluff is one of our 6 estate properties, and it's by far one of our steepest slopes, all on volcanic soil. Because it's all on volcanic soil, I'm getting a ton of crunchy, red, juicy fruit out of this wine. But because of that steep elevation at that higher site, everything is still very fresh and very vibrant. So we're ready to plate this up. So I'm just gonna give myself a nice little scoop. Okay, I'm gonna give myself a little scoop of extra sauce on top. It tastes delicious, so I'm really excited about it. And then I'm gonna give myself a nice helping of Parmesan cheese because you all know I can't help myself. Thank you all so much for joining me today for the pantry pairing featuring our 2017 Boulder Bluff. I can't wait to taste with you all again soon. Check out more of our videos on Instagram as well as participating in our Instagram lives. And we'll see you all healthy in the tasting room soon. Cheers.